Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. I am Laura, the maker behind Tender Warm Creations, and I like to make beginner friendly crochet tutorials as well as anything yarn related, so please stay tuned, don't forget to subscribe and keep watching this video. Okay guys, so today I decided to do a yarn giveaway for you guys. It's this Premier what's it called, sweet roll, sorry, Premier sweet roll, and I have 3 skeins of this yarn. But before we get to the giveaway part, I hope you stay and listen to my little yarn haul that I have. So I was actually going to use this Premier sweet roll for my next design that I'm thinking of making for Valentine's Day or sometime in the next 2 months. Hopefully it turns out how I want it, but while I was designing this, I realized that I wanted something more of like an ombre look, and this is more of like a stripy look. So it's still really beautiful, but I decided to go with a different yarn, and I'm gonna show you guys which yarn I decided to use. And I'm really excited about this one because I have been looking for it. I've seen it online, but I haven't seen it on stores yet, and the only store that I saw that had it was Joann's. So it's this Karen Jumbo Ombre, and you guys, this is more like a subtle change of color than the sweet roll, if you can see the difference. I like more of a neutral colors, and I think this is going to be perfect for what I want. So stay tuned for that because I think it's gonna be great. If you can get your hands on this Karen Jumbo, I totally recommend it. I believe there's like 5 colors. There's not a bunch of colors, but the ones that they have are beautiful, and this is the one that I decided to go with for my next design, and hopefully it turns out, but I'll let you guys know. So please follow me on Instagram because I post there regularly, and I show you guys what I'm working on all the time. So yeah, also I'm really close to hitting my 2K followers on Instagram, and I'm really excited. I will be having a really big giveaway after I hit that goal on my Instagram, so make sure to make sure to follow me on Instagram and subscribe here to enter this giveaway. Okay, so if you guys want to get your hands on 3 skeins of this, and each skein has 245 yards. It's a size 4, and it does have a lot number, but I made sure that I got all 3 of them in the same lot number. So also this is the color peaches and cream. So Premier sweet roll, if you want to get 3 skeins, all you have to do is be subscribed to my channel and comment below which is your favorite Premier yarn. And if you haven't used Premier yet, just comment below which is your favorite yarn that you like to use. So yeah, make sure to read the description below because it has all the information of what you have to do to enter this giveaway. And hopefully a lot of you stayed here till the end. Thank you guys. I'll see you on my next video.